But that's always the making sure there's enough room to do this properly. So I can sit back. Yeah, this works. That works.
Like baby out with the bathwater. Oh, you're bad.
Yeah, but that's the point where I keep going back. There
There's
has
no
to
shades of grey.
no
nuance.
But that's like, is that an evolutionary trait in humans where they go? But because we haven't had the time.
It's too quick.
Because it's too quick, and like it's too quick. Well, it's funny, isn't it? Like you say, things have evolved so to the point of breakneck speed here, and this is why we have to, when things can't keep up and evolutionary can't keep up. But by the same token, if you think about, you're in a fucking village 5,000 years ago or 1,000 years ago and all the rest of it, and that guy is no good.
No.
That guy causes trouble to the thing. It's like, I think they'd get rid of him pretty quickly too, because there's so
much food to go around.
Yeah, there's limited resources, and and that's where things like monogamy and stuff came out of. That, like, where you're looking at, because we've evolved socially, because we're weak.
But it would have had to be something really bad, is what I'm saying. Like,
yes, no.
And repetitive. No. Murder. Bye.
Oh no, I wouldn't even go that far. Like, breaking the rules of the tribe. Like, if you look at most of the rules of the tribe, they're to have an overall cohesion.
But he wouldn't have just said the wrong word. Like, they're trying to get.
I don't know. Like, that's certainly the case now. I've certainly seen the case of that in history. Like, like you go back to the 1600s and get someone like, Galileo Galilei saying, look, you can see it. Like, look through the telescope. Like,
and they're like, no, heretic.
Look, and saying, well, you need to recant all that. We'll put your eyes out. Why? Because it's going to affect
our monetisation.
Yes, but that's certainly a part of it. But I mean, but whether rightly, like, you take it back to the village, either rightly or wrongly, it's like we all need to get on. The only way we survive is if we all get on, because we need to be in a group in order to survive. So anything that affects the overall group is a cancer that needs to be cut out. And that would be if it's the guy that's running around fucking everyone's wife. It's like, dude,
stop doing that.
You need to stop doing that. You're causing fights between other people. So, you fucked his wife. He murdered the wife. Well, there goes.
Are you in the boat or out of the boat?
There goes a resource that we no longer have. Just if we get cancelled. Yes, I know you do. But it can literally be so much as that. Like, if you look at the overall organism, goes, no, that bit of it needs to be cut off. They even talked about that in the Bible, like, I forgot which bit of it, but there's like, if you see the wrong thing, it's better to put out your eye. Oh yeah. There's one bit, I can't remember which bit it is, but it's like if your hand, and it was definitely in the New Testament, it wasn't Old Testament stuff. Because Christ, if your hand does the wrong thing, you should cut your hand off. If your eye sees it, you should put your eye out.
You're disabled, you can't work and shit.
It's more a metaphor rather than and it literally was about society.
But going back to your other point, we all need to get along. Do we?
Well
now, these days, do we?
But that's the point. And that's the point where you could argue is society is changing and because we're so big, that that's the case. And I would argue beyond that, like, it's just a case, you can't all get along.
No.
Because it's too big.
Yeah.
So that's the idea, again, of like the village with the idea of like Dunbar's number, which is like trying to think, which is they believe there's a number, very controversial, it's one of those things, many people disagree with it, agree with it, is, and I think the memory is like 150. It's like you physically can only cope with 150 people in your life.
Right, that's heaps.
Yeah, sure. But if you started adding up all the people that we know and have to deal with, I think you get to 150 pretty quickly, especially with one degree of separation or one order of bacon. Like you go, all right, so we have the kids that work for us at the bar, and then you go, okay, so now you know their parents, and you get 10,000 very, very quickly. But and I think there's a lot, and that sort of thing where they're arguing, that's too much, and that makes the brain go. But all I'll just say, which also comes back to the social media type stuff, is that it's the same thing. You're managing at scale.
Yeah.
and humans aren't good at managing at scale. We're getting better at it, but we're still not great at it. And certainly interpersonally, Jesus.
More mental. But they feed the mental. They all feed each other. That's the thing. Like, they all say that they're doing a good thing, like, yay, you know, we've got rid of him, or yay, well done you, or I just want a better world. It's like, you're a fucking germ. Like,
But that's opinion, but that's the difference. Like, they really think, by the same token, that they're...
you're not all goodness and light.
No,
You're attacking
no.
people.
But that's
How is you're attacking a good thing?
Yeah, but that's like the Goebbels thing. It's like, you know, you gotta. Was it Goebbels or was it, you know, or was it who's the Luftwaffe guy? I can't remember. Definitely breaking Godwin's law here. It's just like, yeah, you gotta break an end to you gotta break some eggs to make an omelette. You know, the ends justify the means. You know, the squeeze is worth it for the juice. You know, that sort of thing. Where it's like.
That's why, coming back to sewing, it's funny. Not always, but yeah, the sewing people tend to be good, except there's a few who aren't.
Same as what you're seeing in every group.
Yeah. So generally people only comment if they're giving a positive comment, but there'll be a couple who won't.
But that's the what was I going to say? What my brain not working? Yeah,
Not
right.
just
So that's the point.
smaller
But that's the point of what you was.
larger.
Yeah, well, no, that's just going back to the same point of thing. It's like it's people that do things with the approval of the conscience, and they're the ones you got to watch out for.
Yeah.
Like the people that go, I feel I'm justified in. I've got a pass to be a bastard because this guy's a
I'm a
bigger
good
bastard.
person and I'm trying to do the right thing.
Even if in the, you know, I don't know. It'd be interesting. That's where it would be very interesting to be able to put one of these people. This is a bit I'll take out of context. This would be very interesting to be able to put somebody in a chair, Clockwork Orange, you know, pin their eyes open and go, really? Do you really think at night when the demons come? Do you really think you're justified in what you're doing, or are you just putting that all aside? Because that's the thing I think they don't have is they don't have introspection. They don't at any point go back. Oh fuck, shouldn't have said that.
Or maybe I shouldn't have done
that was a bit much.
Yeah.
That's the bit that I think they're completely devoid of.
Yeah. Or you can't see that from the.
Yeah, because that's where I saw this. Like, he cries himself to sleep every night. But I mean, but you know.
A lot of people.
Do they? I don't know.
That might be the difference. So you'd have to have a look at their different profiles on different things because, as I said, so on Instagram, you put up the good shit. It's all people say that about. No one ever puts the bad stuff on Instagram. It's always the beautiful. I'm looking great. This is my best friend. Twitter, you put up the shit. Like the bad shit. So if you went and looked at their Instagram profile, it would be quite interesting to see if they were positive, negative.
Well, which way does it thrive? Do you get more money? Like, it doesn't have to be about do you get more clicks, do you get more engagement? It's just the nature of the visual thing. More people want to see positive things, and generally, because I'll come back to that in a sec. Yeah. And with Twitter, it's more the snarky argument because that's the problem. The problem is with tone. Twitter does you can't do unless in short form you can't do tone.
No,
you can. You can do tone in long form, like you can read the sonnets, like you can shall I compare thee to a summer's day? You know, like you can get tone across in words, but you can't. It's very difficult to get tone across in 140 or 280 characters. But what was I going to say? But yeah, it just comes back. Yeah, but Instagram, but. However, on Instagram, I don't know how much of it is, but there's also the fucking car crash videos and people beating the crap out of each other.
But I was just about to say, I've never seen that, but that might be because of where I am.
Yeah, you're not looking for it.
But I don't get the fucking dog things on there. I don't get any of that.
Like
I get good dog things, but I don't get on Facebook I do, which I did yesterday again, these poor emaciated dogs that have been abused, but I don't get that on Instagram. So it's just a different.
Still recording.
So it's just a different algorithm.
Yeah. So, yeah, you would expect so. But that's the other thing. Like, I wouldn't get. But that's where it comes back to what we were talking about before. Whether it's, you know, do the right wing people sort of circle the wagons more, where the left always eat each other. I'm certain the left always exits on it. There's just been
I'm certain
example.
the right always the same for the wagon.
I'm not 100% sure.
Depends if you step too far out.
I think, like if you look at Alex Jones where he's talking about,
Conspiracy
yeah.
theories and Martians
You know,
and Jew lasers.
Sandy Hook was an
and
inside
shit.
job and
Yeah.
everyone's going, way,
Yeah,
fuck,
it's
okay, too
yeah.
much.
Marjorie what's-her-face with the space lasers.
Jewish space lasers.
Yeah, she would go, oh
So,
god. She's also on all sorts of committees now in the House, like defence committees and shit.
Well, that's where.
She's an elected representative though, so she's representing someone.
Well, that's interesting. That's where the right might be more. Well, I think the left eats itself. So is that the thing? Like talking about like fundamental problems that you could objectively argue, so which they both deny. The left denies that they will eat their own, and like they fucking do. Like you can measure that they do, and the right will tolerate the lunatics and the insane people, and where I think the left do too, but not to the point where the right was just like, well, you saw it like on
Last night, Bill Maher,
With
and they
Bill
both
Maher.
said Trump, and they both went, I'd still vote for him.
if he's
He's in my team.
yeah, because it's not well, they both share that. It's like, which it's in my team, but it's like if it's I hate that guy so much that I'm willing to accept somebody
Who's mental.
who's
And doesn't have my
I won't
best.
say
No,
clearly.
doesn't have the party or my best interests at heart. Isn't going to be good.
Yeah, it's difficult. Well, you could at least say he's absolutely erratic. It's erratic. They're erratic to the point that he can't do it. Like,
As William Barr said though, character versus policy, I'll pick policy.
yeah,
Because I hate him, Biden, and the character of Trump is shit, but policy, I'll pick policy.
well, that's the thing that generally they do. Yeah, you're right. That generally they do agree with policy, but that's also just the. See, my always view on like, way back when on politics was always that, and this is what I think Bill Maher always laments about is the idea of, well, the left and the right essentially want the same thing, but they just have very different ways to get there. And we know with the left it's more a collective and, let's raise everyone up, where the right is let's get out of the way and let me do this. And I'll choose
Individualism.
it's socialism versus philanthropy almost. Because again the right
Entrepreneurial.
yeah, and well I'm talking like right at the end, like they think we should there'll be
Health.
yeah, we'll mandate distribution of wealth, where these guys go, we'll voluntarily distribute our wealth. And the vast majority of Americans do. They just don't, the left doesn't like where the right likes to, where to put their money. But at the end of the day, a lot of it is on, but that's the greatest, con's a strong word, but I mean, that's the thing, is like, no one that has billions of dollars is a
You can't get
saint.
millions of dollars without breaking
Yeah,
people and eggs.
yeah, like there's always going to be a criticism, and
There's
but
always a cost.
it is funny, and again I don't think it's a grand conspiracy. I think it is just the same
I
sort
don't think
of.
there's any conspiracy.
No, there isn't.
Might be, but nothing that,
Not about that. The closest thing I think.
People are too lazy.
People are too stupid,
Yeah.
and it comes back to managing at scale. Like that's why. Oh, there's definitely fuckery, and there's definitely whitewashes, and there's definitely cover-ups, and all those sorts of things.
But on the grand
But-
scheme of things,
But they're low end.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
like
it's nothing. It's too hard. You can't do it.
yeah.
People are fucking nuts.
Yeah,
You can't do it.
as soon as there's more than one or two people that know about it, then
We must go and do something.
yes, we must. But anyway, so there you go. So maybe this is a podcast. I'll reduce the attack surface in one place and
Increase it in the other.
increase it in the other. But maybe we should. Maybe I should post this as an example and do it. But do you blur the faces a little bit, to make it a little more?
Just post the audio.
We'll just post the audio. It'd be interesting looking at like rotoscoping it,
Exactly.
like cartooning,
Cartooning,
which I'm sure you can process and do to make it so like doing making us like
Animate.
not making us like anime or fucking cartoon characters, because that's a bit too furry for me. But like the whole, is it rotoscoping or whatever? Did you see a scanner darkly? But like cartooning it, but making it
Avataring it.
No, not even that. I'd
As
say
in us that,
like if we were turned into a Van Gogh painting.
okay,
Where you just
simplify it,
a bit.
yeah,
Yeah. Well, that is quite right. Reduce the resolution.
pixelate it,
Yeah, a bit. So might be worth doing to see, but
talking blockhead.
but it'd be interesting. I know we go with the same day drinking, but it's tea. It doesn't have to always be wine, especially for the next 2 months while I'm on the bloody wagon.
No, I mean, what the visual would be two talking blockhead.
No, I think the visual is exactly what we've got here, but it's just
Pixelated.
pixelated somewhat. So we'll see what it
Wow.
turns out. So if I actually do,
It's snagging on the wall.
so if we do, gross.
Let's drop it in. Like you.
Oh, well, we'll see what turned out if we do it. So, no, it's all interesting. But I don't think, I know we've wasted a couple of days on this, but I don't think it's necessarily 100% a waste of time. I think it's fucking 80% to 90%. But this is the introspection, and this is the thing that
And realising how much I dislike people is true.
but
Not all people.
but this
I
is
have to stop saying that.
yeah.
The majority of people I don't like.
Well, I would say it's the majority of social interactions you don't like, and it is difficult because you just, and this is another part which is, where people never admit publicly, which is, this has become public, is I don't care, mate. I
can't care.
can't care. I don't care. It's like.
If I cared about every single person, then I would go mental.
Yeah, you never get out of bed. Or even if I cared about a whole, I'm not built that way. It's not my kind of personality.
Yeah.
And and obviously, and people that would criticise that probably do. See, this is where I'm a little bit different, and half the reason why I'm getting dogpiled on Twitter at the moment is that I follow people I don't like because I don't want to be in an echo chamber, and I'm interested in what they say. To some extent, it is a case of keep your friends close and your enemies closer. But it's also just a case of it's like that bird up the road that where like they're frenemies, and I'm interested in their point of view. And occasionally, it's good when you can get one where you can ask them questions. The case with her is you can say, if you do ask a very straight question, you'll get a straight answer, and it's like, okay, that's interesting. Like because she's a branch Covidian, it's like. Where I asked the question, like, I'm going to be masking for the rest of my life. And it's like, you just look at that and you just go, fuck, you poor sad bastard, but it's completely opinion. But you say, so I can ask her a straight question.
Have you been outside?
Have you been outside?
Town?
Have you been interstate? Have you been? And you get a straight answer back. I go, okay, thanks. It's interesting to know.
Yeah.
Because it is interesting to know. I do want to know that so I can do it. But but so many of them, 90% of them, you go, do you go outside? And it's like, fuck you, it's like, I'm just asking a question,
But she'd fall into the 5% of people that I probably would still interact with because it's not all about one thing either.
No. And it's
you
also...
you don't disagree across the whole board.
No. But you might disagree,
You'll disagree about COVID, but you agree about Tasmania. You disagree about this, but you agree about,
But that's also
that's how humans fucking work, you retard.
Well, that's how society's meant to work, and that's the lament you keep seeing on things like...
why can't we have a conversation?
Guys, you're going to have to send me an email
What's
for...
that weird...
This is the thing since I did my...
Very, very in the...
Yeah, this is the since it got
Real me universe.
Yeah, since it got updated, it's decided to...
Random shit on your
Yes,
screensaver.
it's very, very Asian.
Wallpaper.
And here's a picture of a little dog. Here's a picture of...
Anime that I don't know.
It's like, I don't know, yeah, but it's sort of, Battle of the Planets in the 70s. Anyway, that was the point of, the whole idea of, the Bill Maher, this is the bit where they sort of lament the period of time. It's like, where your neighbour could be a Republican, and it was like, and you could get on perfectly well. You just knew it's probably best not to talk about politics.
Sex, religion, politics, and...
the old Bill Hicks bill. Let's lighten this up and talk about abortion,
Because again, that's the saying, isn't it, the three of them, that you shouldn't, in a conversation, you shouldn't raise
certainly
those three
at least
things.
religion and politics, or religion and sex. Was it always three things? Or
I thought
two
it was
things?
three.
Okay.
Sex, religion, and politics.
But they're the things that you lament, but that's where hopefully if educated enough and calm enough.
You can agree
Because you
to,
get me.
you can agree to disagree.
You can agree to disagree, or you can just go,
And not want to stab them or burn their house
Yeah.
down. Like,
Yeah.
Jesus
Oh, yeah.
Christ.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing, like being friends with Christians. And the thing I always found, like academics that I respected, like guys, which I always found
That
one
were
in particular.
religious.
Yeah, where I had one, no point mentioning his name now. I don't know if that's
The
still
screen's
on.
still on.
Oh, cool. Is like he was an AI researcher and a roboticist, and also like had in his
Some kind of quote.
oh yeah,
Psalm.
in his it was the classic John 4:16.
I don't know what it is.
For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, Jesus Christ, blah blah blah.
Right,
His
yeah.
only begotten Son,
Yeah,
whatever
yeah,
it is,
I've heard that before.
very, and it's just like, Phil, mate,
How?
if you succeed, you disprove the majority of that. But but all those guys do. But as you go on with time, it's just like, well, A, he doesn't care. B, he doesn't see it that way to care. And C, well,
But could you have a conversation with that person about that?
no,
Or
you
was
don't.
he-
And well, I was just going to say the third thing is that every so often they have another Council of Nicaea or Constantine comes along and just change the rules. Don't worry, that never happened. Which is the other point of reading 1984.
Because I don't know what you're talking about, but okay.
Well, every so often they decide to what's canon, like
Oh.
what's this
Earth
is
flat,
the law.
Earth round.
Yeah, and every so often, and they'll all say we always
We've
thought
never
it was.
said that.
Well,
Yeah.
that's 1984. There's three countries in 1984:
Oh, that's
East
right, you
Asia,
mentioned this
Eurasia, and
before.
Oceania.
And then something else made it.
We've
It's
always been,
been.
and the Ministry of Truth would go right. East, I can't.
We've
again.
always been at war with bloody blah.
Yeah, and it's just like no, it hasn't. But everyone just goes
Alright.
whatever.
Gaslighting.
Yeah, and that's what it is. I don't know if the term even came from that. I don't think so, because gaslighting's like Dickensian.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's
But again, so the dude with the
But he-
AI
but-
and the Christian, so could you go, so what, how do you work
well,
with that?
that's the answer. I was an
And I'm
undergraduate.
interested,
I
I'm
was
not
an
just,
I was an undergraduate. He's a full professor. It wouldn't have been appropriate for me to ask
that.
him.
Yeah.
And if I did ask him, he'd tell me to go fuck myself.
Yeah.
Because he'd just go, who the fuck are you? Like,
Yeah.
I don't have time for you.
Yeah.
Which is exactly the point where I say where
Unless he was interested in having that conversation at that point in
it
time.
was appropriate to have it if we'd known each other enough, if he wanted to, all that. But that's where, like, you do get, which these other people don't understand, is like, which you see so often in the bar, like, we go, no, I want to talk about that. I go, I don't want to.
I don't want to.
But you have to, and it's just like,
No, I don't.
and that's my problem for engaging too much with them, which, after a couple of old fashions, you tend to do, which is, I don't, you're brain raping me. You're emotionally you're an emotional rapist.
Yeah.
Like you're trying to, like, I don't want to discuss that,
Yeah.
yet you're trying
Demanding.
you're demanding you do that. No means no, bitch. And and that never goes well, because people like that are always either too dumb or too drunk, or both. And
Or mean-spirited.
all of that too. Because that's the stuff, that's the sort of thing
If
where,
you're genuinely asking me a question from a place of, I'm interested to know your answer, and you're not, then you would probably go,
that's
come
something,
back when I'm not, or I'm in a better mood, and we'll chat.
yeah, but that's something that I'm really bad at, is the disingenuous bit of it is, like, I know, I either don't notice, or I don't care to notice, or I'm too drunk, so for whatever reason I don't notice, is that they'll start asking you questions,
I hate questions.
and it's I'm an ex-academic, but you would be, and I'm generally an open book, like I don't mind.
But like that last one, where he was just trying to show off in front of his girlfriend. It's like, you're not asking these questions because you're genuinely interested in the answer, or you already know the answer, you're just trying to manipulate it into something
Yeah,
that makes
or
you look good.
or you're trying to get me to say
Something that
something
you don't like,
that you
or
don't like,
she
so-
doesn't like, or, yeah.
But at the end
Or
of the
you've
day,
been asked the same question 5 times in the night, like the one where they come in and say, oh, how's the business going? It's like, that is
Mind your
not,
own business.
like, that is uncouth. Can you, like, how's your dick going?
yeah, happy's your cock.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
yeah.
Do I ask you about your financial position
Does
5
your wife
times
like
a
it in
night?
the arse?
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
There's
Again,
no-
this is the other bit I'll take out of
Yeah,
context.
do you not understand that it's not appropriate for you to do
But
that?
that's the thing.
But some of them, there's a different way that they ask it. Like some of them, oh, Heather, how's it going? Oh, good, thanks. How are you? Like, but other, so how much money have you made, basically?
Well, they do that.
Why not?
Well, they do that all the time, but like that's the other thing. Where the only kind of example that I had where it's sort of where they've said that it's not 99.95% of the time it's got to be disingenuous,
Yeah.
or I don't know. Like maybe who knows? Maybe it's 50-50. It's some people being disingenuous and other people. Oh no, I'm just really interested. But because people like you or I can say, fucking no.
But we have said they're rejecting because they're trying to gauge what's going on.
Well, yeah, the only one that I saw which kind of understood it, which was a while ago, was like, why do Sydney-siders keep talking about house prices and all those sort of things, is because the only sort of argument I saw was they're saying, right, because it's really expensive and it's really hard and they're trying to figure out, how do you fucking do it? Because
Yeah.
I'm really underwater here.
Yeah.
Like, you seem to be great.
Yeah, have you got any information that I can use to help me
Yeah,
to be a bit better at it? Which is fine.
Which
Good
I think,
point.
but that's where I think that's just the difference between Australians, because of our culture, more roundabout in trying to ask that, and someone like us goes, someone like me goes, well, I'll answer your questions to a point, and then I go, which is my problem, I'll go digital, I go, honest yes or honest question, answer yes or honest question, then I go, no, you're just taking the piss, and then I'll say you're taking the piss, and then I go, and then you go,
Alright, fuck off.
I'll hit you with a stick,
Yeah.
like, where you're much more, no, that's not appropriate, I'm not interested in talking about that, or you just go,
Or change the subject.
but that's where it's difficult to, but that's where, I think, like when we were talking about Asian kid the other day, where it's just like, they hear it when we were looking at Melbourne, when we were looking
Oh
at
yes,
the real
real
estate,
estate do, yep.
but that's the difference, like it's more the American entrepreneurial sort of things,
Yeah.
because most Asians are
Who's
basically
genuinely
American.
interested?
Who's almost going, can I join your newsletter?
Yes.
And it's like, no dude, I don't have one, because like especially he's going, you're very well,
Congratulations.
you must
well
have
done.
worked very
yes,
hard.
What have you done? Yes.
Yeah, so, where again, which is
Chinese and American.
yeah, because the
Asian, just Asian countries in general.
Asian because
They work hard.
well, it's just American culture. American culture is yeah, because American culture is pervasive. That's the easy. It's not like they're gonna, it's not like we're going to learn Scandinavian culture because we know that
They are a global power.
yeah.
China. Who are the global powers now? China,
Superpowers.
America.
China, America, India. Like just who's got the most?
Yeah.
Who's got
nukes?
who's got nukes and a billion people? And in the case of America,
America
it's
doesn't
like
have billions.
no, but they're third, which most people forget.
350 million?
380, I think. But yeah, it's like China or
China,
India, one of the other,
India.
then the States, which some people forget. But yeah, they're like the third largest. It's like
Russia used to be bigger, but they've broken it all up.
yeah, well, the USSR.
Yeah.
But I don't think was the USSR over a billion people. But it's the same sort of thing. It's talking about how big they are.
Multi-millions because they throw millions at wars and don't care.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, but any country can do that, and plenty of smaller ones have time for it. But yeah, anyway, no, it's interesting. It's interesting, but it's interesting to reflect on these things, and
It's not all bad, it's not all good.
yeah, that's the whole.
Life.
Shades of grey. No one will get that joke if we do put this up.
No. Shout out to our neighbours.
But no, it's just interesting. But at the end of the day, look, but it's just a part of like where you and I differ is that I take it as part of you've upset. There's a certain part of the tribe that has certain views, and you've upset that part
But
of
you're
the
not in
tribe.
that tribe.
No, I'm not. No, I'm in the tribe of
Humanity.
Like I don't see as much of a difference between. Well, maybe the difference is I don't see as much of a difference between online and real life.
I do.
Where you do, yeah. Why? Because as I said to you, it's like I've literally been on the internet since I've been literally on the internet full time since 1994, full time, and I've been like hours a day since 94.
Yeah.
And earlier than that, little bits and pieces from about 1991, 90, can't remember, whenever I got an actual PC
So when you get your PC,
with a modem, and you did have, with a BBS, and you did have a gateway technically to the internet-ish, you know, like you could telnet and you could kind of send email and do that sort of thing. But that's late for a lot of people, only because it's in Australia.
Oh, we're slightly talking about.
If you're in America with CompuServe and stuff, you can go way back into the mid-80s and earlier.
We were slightly talking about different things. I thought you meant, so you were talking about day-to-day living and doing things. I'm talking like online totally, but in terms of interacting with people,
I just think
I see a clear difference. People who
I only see one difference, is that the playing field is level.
that and people behave differently when they think that they can just type shit.
That's it. But that's I see that as being the playing, because mostly there isn't.
There's no way in hell that half the shit's on
Oh no.
They wouldn't say that to your face.
And I wouldn't as well. And there's half the shit I say I wouldn't say to somebody's face as well, because it's.
Because there's a social contract that you don't.
Yeah, and because you know, like you're not going to stare at them and insult. Like it's just easy to throw away. Well, you
Built
also,
up.
yeah, but you also don't get the instant feedback. So
Yeah.
like if I'm talking to somebody, you or
do
whatever,
on Twitter.
and I have, oh no. I mean instant feedback in terms of, you know, for me almost to check myself, which is you see them, oh I upset, like because the tone's wrong, and you see the facial, you see the language, and you fucking smell it if you try hard enough, and you just go, oh no, or you go, either one of two things, oh no, I didn't mean that way, you misunderstood me, or, oh I'm sorry, okay, well, there wasn't, I meant what I said, but
I probably shouldn't have said it.
but it's not, if it's going to upset you that much, I should have said it about you, it's behind your back, no, but I mean if it's, well you just, you know, yeah, if it's going to upset you that much, then, yeah, like I don't, you know, like if I said something and it's like, oh, you know, clearly you've upset the person to the point that they're going to go fucking get a rope and climb a tree. It's like, yeah, shit, dude, so, you know, like.
Ignore me.
Yeah, like, you know,
That's not
like
my intention.
That's an extreme, yes, that's not my intention.
That was not my intention.
You know, because again, and I do this all the time, like, and I've done it to you, and to some extent it happens to me, not as much, because I'm the rebel, but, you know, you'll say some throwaway line and people go away and dwell on that, or, you know, you really upset me, and it's just like, okay, sorry. Depends
That's
on.
not my intention.
Or with you a lot of times, it's like,
It
that
was
was
my
my intention.
Yes.
And,
You're an asshole.
yeah, but that's a part of living with someone. So, yeah, no, it's all very, but that's an open problem in social networks. It's an open problem in road rage, and like, so there's always been things, trying to, it's been a zillion papers and weird people doing it, like, where the really basic version of it is you have a sticker on the back of your car, like a European sticker that says, I'm from Italy, or I'm from Great Britain, so you know all the different number plate here, it's like,
You know they're not.
you're not from here, so maybe at least
Cut
you
them
go,
a little bit of slack.
yeah, a little bit, and you go, oh, well, that fuckwit's trying to go the wrong, Queensland plates in Tasmania. Oh, he hasn't realised that, you know, that Tasmanians are all retarded and the roads are all in one direction, you know, and, oh, no, there's the, another, take that context. But,
You know, just things are different in different places. And
yeah.
Outwardly showing that you're not from that place is helpful sometimes.
The more, obviously the more sophisticated thing, which also doesn't work, and I don't know why it hasn't worked, is like having like basically the equivalent of a great big mood ring on the top of your car, where it says, I'm angry, I'm lost.
Yeah, I just had a fight with my wife and I'm
Yeah,
just
I'm not in a
driving
good mood,
around,
or
yeah.
I'm happy, I'm distracted, you know, to sort of have the mood, and that may well come. They'll certainly have it in terms of, it's just sharing information, and as you know, as everything goes to, you know, test, like there'll be a common protocol for discussing between the cars between them will go, I'm trying to get here, and the car goes, I'm trying to get there. Oh yeah, I've been there before. You shouldn't go that way. You need to, like there'll be those kind of interactions to make it better, and that's how you get cars to go, as it kind of is now, from being driving no worse than humans to being better than humans, because there'll be more interaction.
And making allowances for cars that haven't been in this space before.
Yeah, absolutely, and that's where they'll become. But anyway, that's getting back to where we were talking about is just the lack of emotion and mood and feel. Because that's the thing, you know, like there's only one sense that's been used, and we have, you know, plenty of senses.
There's honestly, half those people on Twitter though, they're just constantly angry and that can't be good for them.
You don't.
Physically can't
You
do
don't
it.
know. I think a lot of people would look at some of the
And
stuff
who
I
has the
say.
amount of time, like, the amount of time they spend on that too? So
Well,
keep
that
coming back to
goes-
my point, have you got nothing fucking better to do with your
Well,
time?
that comes back to my original thing. Where
Why aren't you working? Why aren't you sleeping? Why aren't you exercising? Why aren't you outside getting fresh air?
They may.
Maybe you are on your phone, don't know about that.
Yeah.
But
They may be. They may be. They may not be. They.
tweet after tweet after tweet after tweet for hours.
I can do that. Like if I'm sitting at the computer and doing software, like I could
Multiple
completely.
things.
Yeah, you've seen me.
Yeah,
You've seen me in full nerd mode talk.
right,
Yeah, full duplex with another person that can do it. We talk and listen at the same time.
Jesus
It's
Christ.
pretty.
But
It's
there's
a
only,
Red Bear novel.
there's only a certain number of people that can do that.
Yeah. And I can do it, and that's where you look at it. But am I? Is it often? God no. Should I be doing it? Hell no. Do I occasionally do it? Yes.
Or
Do I
the
do it too much?
introspection comes
Yes.
in.
And that's what we're doing right now. And which I like to think I might be a complete bastard, but I do afterwards. But I'm never a hypocrite, and I always admit when I'm wrong. And just and a lot. Yes, you are. Because as
I
far
do
as
admit when I'm wrong, but it just takes
that's the
time.
science, but that's the scientist in you where it just go, yeah, look, especially when it's objective, you go,
I am wrong.
that's wrong. You know, it's like, all right, but it's just the people. They're the people. I think that's one of the biggest measures of like someone can be, again, not to describe myself too
Character.
much. Yeah, it's character. It's like I can be a hopeless drunk, a terrible womanizer. I can be, I can be neglectful of this, that, or the other. But you can argue it's worse that he knows he's doing all this and he still says, I fucking like it, or I want to, and every so often I don't want to, but when I do, I go, yeah, I was wrong and I'm sorry. Like,
Yeah, but that comes back to the point of who made you judge an executioner?
that's
People
right.
are allowed to be different. Just because you wouldn't do it
But
doesn't mean other people can't do it.
But they don't see that. That's where, which would be interesting to look at what their
And yes, if
followers
we
are
all
like.
did that, we wouldn't last long.
No, and there is the
That's
rub.
why
And
everyone
that's
doesn't
where,
do
and
it.
that's where at the moment we're going, well, are we going to last much longer with this? Because everything's so polarised. But that's where it'd be interesting to look at their followers and go, do they have more of are they in an echo chamber? Are they? And so many people are. And so am I to a
That's what I said, I
large
think
extent,
I am.
but not completely.
do-
And that's why it ends up being an attack surface.
Yeah. Yeah. I just can't get over the amount of time between them. Like, fuck.
I spend way too much. What we do spend too much time on all that stuff. But I should at least look at what the
Yes.
neighbours are saying because I'm getting a few things here.
Alright.
Oh right, okay, it's Joe. I thought it was Stevie. He's showing you the.
Here ended the podcast. Little wee.
Yeah, I too shall get on with it. Anyway, we'll see. I'll run it through I'll find out what it is. I keep saying rotoscope, but I don't think that's right. Super marination, and see what it looks like and see if we want to post it. Because,
Doubt it. Because I'm walking right over here.
well,
Is it lunchtime?
I think it'd be interesting to at least have one test of it and see how it goes. Because if nothing else, that's where you can go, look at them take out. It's like the clips of Joe Rogan, where they just take out the bit. But they survive. Like, so he had all of that. That's where again it's hilarious. Where they go, you said, here's the following verboten words that you have said, and that we're doing it, and like those guys do it
There's
too.
no effect whatsoever. He
really.
still exists.
I think it's changed. I think it's certainly had an effect on changing his behaviour. As it's
Yes.
going to change my behaviour, you have to reduce the attack surface.
Yeah.
Just so, because if you want to stay on there, don't make it so easy for them to just fuck it off.
Yeah.
Because as I maintain,
Mind to move.
well, as I was it on your new thing,
Yeah.
but that's where I maintained.
I am moving.
Before, at no point was I threatening anyone
No.
or calling someone a name.
You
or
were
anything
having
like
a
that.
discussion, and
Yeah.
you weren't being insulting. You weren't calling them names. They just didn't like what you said,
Yeah, and then they
and
can
then
take
they all
things.
attacked you.
And reporting a tweet, by its very nature, I think, is basically taking something out of context.
Mm.
You don't report a thread. You can
No.
report a tweet or you can report an account. You can't
Yeah.
report a thread.
No.
Because funnily enough, if any of the individual tweets because like if you were going to be insidious about it, which, you know, every individual if you make it so every individual tweet on its own isn't actionable, but the overall thread is basically, I feel this particular race of people should be removed from the planet physically,
Yeah.
you can get away with it, that's fine. So again, it's an open problem in social networks.
Anyone needs to fix it. But as I said, there should also be a human involved when there's clearly...
You can't scale.
No, wait. When there's clearly someone using software who's reported hundreds of the same accounts tweet in one fell swoop.
Well, it's also, like an account like mine might get a complaint from time to time.
Yes.
But then all of a sudden, boom, you know.
Yeah, that's clearly brigading. Like,
or you said something shitty.
But you don't have the number of followers to warrant that reaction.
Depends on, well, you know, it depends. Or, well, in this case, your interlocutor certainly has enough followers, and that's what it is. Because, again, you're dealing with, like in that case, like that woman had, like, let's round it up and say 10,000 followers.
Yeah.
Like, best part of 9,000 or something.
The disabled one?
Yeah.
The initial one?
Yeah.
Right.
Is that, well, I don't think she's all that disabled, which was my whole point.
No, she thinks she's disabled.
Who knows? Maybe she's technically, who knows? And who cares?
Yeah.
But but I mean, it shows you, but at the end of that, of those 9,000 followers, which, this would be interesting to have the graph to see, of those 9,000, how many people actually saw that? Well, you can actually see how many people have seen the tweet, and you see how many people are actually a problem. 3.
Yeah.
And one's a real problem.
Yeah.
2 are just annoying.
One does it as his job.
And one, it's a real hobby.
Yeah.
But again, there's no swearing, there's no thing, it's just reposting. But that's where I came back and say, if you'll block someone and they've blocked you and you'll repost and you'll go into a browser without a session and pulling off the public things and reposting it, that's got to be strike.
Harassment. Yeah.
That's got to be.
Yeah.
That's got to be.
And not just once. That's what I'm
No,
saying.
constantly, and following you from one platform to another and all the rest of it. And that's the hilarity of the. But that's the stuff. That's fixation, and they're the things that I think where you will end up with. Well, I don't even know if they exist now, which is the idea of like a digital ADO, like saying where
I don't know.
I'm sure. Again, I find the whole e-safety commissioner thing a bit silly.
Yeah.
But for something like that, it's just like at the very least you need some. It would be good if.
You need a physical world consequence for online shit.
But that's what.
And I don't mean consequence as in, but you need to be able to flag it and go, can someone send this guy a note?
Well, at the very least, again, I think, but that's where you get back to that's what we think versus what they think.
Yeah.
But what I at least think, but here's the thing, there should certainly be a digital consequence, and the digital consequence would be like, you know, me getting struck for 7 days, which they would get struck for 7 days. Saying you can't do that. Like that needs to be against policy. The only problem is at the moment it's not against
But
policy.
then you'll just find another platform and do the same thing.
Yep, absolutely. Yep. So, but that's if you got hey, congratulations, you've got a stalker. You know, like. But as said, it just comes down to it would be nice.
Every good girl needs a stalker.
Well,
I don't have a stalker.
every Greek needs an egg.
Yes.
But that's where it'd be good to have a.
I'm gonna have some lunch.
Yeah, I'll stop talking in a second. But I am interested in. Yes, I know. But with your permission and with sufficient obfuscation, I'd be interested in pushing that and see how it goes. And it'd be funny. All you're doing is giving. And are you just giving them? You just
Fuel
large.
for the fire.
Yep, it's fuel for the fire. But you can at least sort of say, well, that's what we really. There you go. There's the long form discussion. There's the podcast. That's what we really think.
But that's the other thing too. So
And I don't. And
don't give a shit.
yeah, and I'm not so but it's almost part of the experiment. So here you go. So you can watch this entire conversation, which is three-quarters of an hour. You can watch three-quarters of an hour of conversation, roughly on this thing and around that, and at the end of it, you can go, oh, I still completely disagree with everything they say. Everything they say is like a turd falling into my drink. Fuck these people. But you know, yeah. Like at least from our perspective, you'd go. Not that I'm putting it up because we've been talking about doing this for ages. You know, like the idea of me having these are the thing. trying to work out, it's like that stupid novel that I keep thinking, but I can't think of an end of it, and now I'm trying to think I can't think of a format for
Discussion.
for day drinking
Yeah, day drinking. Yes, you've been
with-
mentioning that month.
with Dr. B,
Yeah.
but, yeah, but at the very least you could say, well, if you still hate me after this, if you still think I should be put to death after this, well, I can't help you.
No.
At 280 characters or 140 characters, I can at least go, no, you've misunderstood me.
Yeah.
On a 3/4 of an hour conversation, there's definitely certain of those people that will watch all of this and just go, these people need to be burned at the stake.
But that a human is not one sentence or one word. A human is very complex.
A human isn't one 45-minute conversation.
No. So you can't just go, right, they're bad, they should be put to death. Like,
But that's the argument. Like that's the Kantian argument with like, oh, even Hitler deserved a, that's the.
What is that?
Oh, I don't know, but that's the like, or the classic one was Hitler cried when his dogs died.
yes.
Yeah, okay.
But that's what
Still, not a great character.
No, but that's what. No, you're illustrating my point. That's what I'm saying. Humans are complex, so you have to figure out.
They said Pol Pot was a nice guy, apparently.
Yeah, you have to figure out based on various long consequences, actions.
But that's easy
over a
to
series
come
of
back to
time.
originally, which is like, yeah, the juice isn't worth the squeeze.
No.
Yes, I'm sure he
Pros
had.
and cons.
Yes, I'm sure he had some. If I ever do this properly, we'll need actual equipment rather than photo booth. But yeah, that's the.
You can't just say he's a bad person. Pol Pot, I don't know what
Killing
he.
was kind of rude.
No, I know exactly who Pol Pot is, but I mean, I don't know about him being a good person or what other
Yeah,
things
but
he
that's,
did. But yes, clearly the bad outweighs the good for him.
yeah.
But there is a scale.
Yeah.
There's not just a bucket.
Yeah, the SS was snappy dresses.
Yeah.
They were really good at graphic design.
You're not just a bad. There's not just bad.
Yeah.
It can't just be in one bucket.
Yeah. But at some point they've got to look at which is always the cause. Which this brings up a good point, which I've always said. There's no yes or no in physics, let alone society. So it's always based on probabilities, and you would look at the ledger and go, well, he was there. And you go, right, well that's a guy that should be shot in the face.
Yes.
Pol
Pot, Hitler.
Yeah.
The two big ends.
Yeah.
But I'm sure there's plenty more that I don't know about.
Stalin. That's the other thing, like bang on about bloody, the Antifas and all the rest of it, and all I do is like, you've got your baddie. Any extremism anywhere is bad.
Human.
Yeah.
Bad, good, mix.
Yeah.
Yes. Try not to do too much shit. Versus
Fear, money,
try,
pussy.
yeah.
Like fairly basic.
Yeah.
And then sociopathy or psycho, or psychopathy.
Yes.
Anyway, it is. What was the point with all
People
that? I can't
popularise
remember.
it, yes.
Well, that's where it is. But anyway, I think that's what I was just going with. If we did put this up where it's interesting is just that at least on the best part of an hour's discussion, you could actually, because then if someone says, I still think you're a piece of dog shit, I go, did you watch it all? Can you, if you, not that you're going to do, here's a comprehension test, fill this out, and if you get more than a HD, I'll go, you're reasonable in your view. I think you're wrong is a strong term. I think
I
you
disagree.
don't get it. I disagree. Yeah, that's right. Exactly that.
I disagree, but at the end of all of this, you will continue with your life and I will continue with mine.
Probably.
I was going to say some people don't, which is what my point was too. The attack mode that they have on these fucking things is ridiculous because a lot of people will not cope with that and they will not continue their life.
Yeah, there's nutters.
Yeah.
So but that's where I always come down to. But anyone that's trying to sort of chase some sort of utopia, either in
False.
it doesn't work like that. It comes back to probability. And then I say for the leftists, because like the most recent example is how did Chaz work out for you?
There is nothing perfect.
Like you start off with these grand lofty ideas, and then pretty soon it goes to crap. And that's why like all the ones will go, we've got to burn everything down. And then it's like, then you just have to go, then
you just start again at the
then you're just going to start again and then end up with the same.
Anything with humans involved is nothing. There is no perfect. I'm sorry.
And
Nature,
any,
there's a
well,
few
any-
perfect things
any-
in nature.
no, not really.
You reckon? They're pretty.
Laws of thermodynamics. Pretty, that's subjective. If you want to talk about the perfect of nature, yeah, there's a few rules that are pretty good. But it's said even, and that's always the point, is you
But
understand.
nature sucks. Nature is a bitch.
Well, that's what you're going to go back to if you burn everything down. You're going to go back to, because I like to think, oh, we're going to do this as like, no. The most, because of toxic masculinity, we've got to reason, and what thrives in pure nature, toxic everything.
Everything eats everything, and it's horrendous.
Yeah, and that's why I've always said to you, if there's a breakdown in society, I give us 6 months,
Yeah.
and then we'll be dead.
Yeah.
Because it's the luck of the draw, and the people that are left over, fortune certainly favours the brave. The people that are left over are going to be the people that will never hesitate and do anything at all costs, and the lucky.
Yeah.
That's it. Just the random, the ones that they didn't quite get to, the
Haven't
Eskimos
found them yet.
haven't found them yet. The ones that the ones that everyone gets shot in the face, but somehow you go over the top and you all run towards the machine guns, and you're the one that I didn't even get a scratch. Where everyone else got whacked next to you. That's what's going to happen. And anyone who doesn't understand that, that's where I think they have a misunderstanding of history
They
and
are lacking in information.
because.
Have you met a human brain?
And especially when there's so many recent examples, because they've tried that. Yeah, go to Portland, that Chaz thing, they tried that, and at the end of the day, they were killing people, and they were
Base natures.
Yeah, they did it with the approval of their conscience, which, as I said, was always the most. Was it C.S. Lewis or I've forgotten. I don't know if it was C.S. Lewis. It was another more of a philosopher rather than an author. But it's like the worst tyrannies are those imposed for the good of the people. Like the worst tyrannies are those sincerely implemented for the good of the oppressed. And that's COVID lockdowns and all. Like, that's a very light example, hilariously given the amount of inflation it's caused. But that's this is for your own good.
Yes.
And that's why again.
I say.
And that's why again.
We say.
And that's why in 1984 it's called Big Brother. I'm looking after you.
Yeah.
I'm helping you.
Yeah.
You don't understand. It's for your own good. I told you the last sentence in that book is wonderful, but I won't
So don't tell me again.
Anyway, that's it. Here endeth the lesson. Go with God, my children. Beware of wolves.